welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Emma, and today's video is a video I've been working on for a little bit. I'm moving from my little apartment. I'm kind of sad, I'm not gonna lie. I love this apartment, it's super cute. I am a little sad to be packing up and moving, but I am really excited to where I will be moving. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, watch my videos, watch my little vlogs. They're so fun. Anyways, let's get into it because this is gonna be a long vlog. So I've started packing. I got these vacuum storage bags on Amazon. I have a bunch of boxes there, and then I have boxes here. I'm in a studio, so it's gonna be a little chaotic with all the boxes everywhere. I made a list of like the things I need to have packed by like certain dates, so I'm not feeling overwhelmed, because packing and moving generally for me, and I'm sure for a lot of people, is such an overwhelming process. So I was like, you know what will help me is making a list, visualizing what is attainable by a certain date. It's the afternoon right now. I have like a couple appointments, and then I'm probably gonna come back, and this is probably gonna be my project for the night. Let's go, you guys. So like I said earlier today, I'm tackling my little cubbies and my like winter clothes slash clothes I don't think I'm gonna wear. Here's my progress. I have all of these packed. This was from when I changed over my closet, but these two, the bottom one and the top one, I packed today. It's kind of a mess over here, clearly, but I'm packing up some of my cubby stuff. I'm also gonna clean out my little cart. I have a bunch of books over here. Honestly, I don't even know how I got some of these books, so if you're my friends and you're watching these and I have your book, let me know. I can give them back. So anyways, I'm cleaning out the little shelves that like I don't really need. That's gonna be it for tonight. I cleaned out my closet. This closet has like my everyday clothes, and then this closet has like my jackets and sweatshirts and sweatpants. And then I cleaned out this section. I cleaned out some of the clothing in here, but I don't know. Chicago's so unpredictable with weather. I get nervous cleaning out like a ton of my clothes, because God knows the minute I clean out something that I'm like, it's warm out, I won't need it, it's gonna be like 40 degrees the next day, and I'm gonna have to go digging or like suffer. Yeah, that is my progress so far. Welcome to my kitchen. We're taking off my counter sticker. I did take off like the first piece of it. Came off pretty easy, so I have hope for the rest of it. I move in like a couple weeks and it's not looking packed. I have this many boxes packed, this much of my clothes packed, still have stuff in the closet, in here, still have that, wall art still up. So today is going to be a big packing day, but this is the counter. Yay. Looking the same as always. I've packed most of my dishes. These are like the only things left. I'm just like, packing just overwhelms me, but we will get through. We'll persevere. Anyways, let's get started. I grew up now. Well, perfect. Okay, I got this side off, but it still has like so much residue on it. I don't know how to fix that. What I should have gotten is Goo Gone, but I don't have any on me, so I don't know. I read online that it actually helps with the residue if you put a hairdryer to it, so that's what I'm doing on this side. It still feels like there's a lot of residue. That's the progress right now. I'm kind of sad. Y'all are not gonna believe this. First of all, mess. Second of all, my pipe started leaking. And now I don't know if I can use my bathroom sink. Pretty sure I can't. So fabulous, you guys. It's Wednesday. I move on Saturday. I'm technically moving some stuff Friday, just so I can get something out of here, because as you saw, like, for a girl who like hates, loathes entirely having a messy space, this is torture. But yeah, there's your update. I'm so sorry for not posting or anything, but let me just be clear. Honestly, I don't know how I've done it, but the month of June I thought would be shot. Whenever I started this vlog, me starting to pack like was the beginning of the end for any productivity. You miss a month, what are you gonna do? You know? Watch my other vlogs, catch up, have a fun time, and then this video will come out and you'll be like, oh my god, she's back. Only took a month or two. Welcome back to one day till I move. Technically 0 days if you count today, because today we are gonna be moving, like, I don't even know how much stuff I'm gonna be able to move, but it's gonna be a decent amount. Here's what I have done. So I finished packing this up. I still need to use that, and I need to use those. I've washed my dishes from this morning, and then I'm just wrapping these bowls up. Making very good progress. I'm feeling a little less stressed. I have to go and give my keys back to my work today. My friend Eden's gonna meet me here at noon, and we're gonna move some stuff into her car. I'm thinking we'll probably do my clothes and my closet stuff. I wanna kind of work on that today, like just setting it up. Tomorrow morning, I'm waking up super early. I'm waking up at like 7. So I can wash my bedding before I move. My parents should get here at like 10, and then I'm gonna move. I'm kind of sad. My coworkers got me a plant that doesn't die, thank God. And I stocked up on some hair products. That's my first job out of college, so it's like my first big girl job. I'm like excited to like move and everything, but it's a little bittersweet, you know? So it's like 12:15 right now. My friend just texted me that she's here. So I'm gonna go let her in. And I have all of my stuff, bringing my clothes and everything on my bed is what I'm bringing. Hi guys, it's me and Eden. We've successfully packed most of my stuff, honestly.
When your life is on fire.
Yeah, I just needed
Dusty busty old cheese.
Alright, we're gonna go to my new apartment. Okay, let's go. 'Twas the night before moving, and all through the house it was a f***ing mess, and I was stirring, but there were no mice. There was no mouse. It's moving day! Yay! It's 7:15. I woke up naturally at 6. I guess I'm just so excited. My parents are getting here at like 9:30. I'm kind of hungry, but if I'm being completely honest here, I packed my pots and pans, so I don't really have anything to make breakfast with. It might be a go get something to eat moment for me. Had to go get my favorite smoothie from the juice place on my street. If you know how to fold one of these, let me know, because I'll spend my whole life never knowing how it gets folded. It's definitely in a folded shape. Sad apartment, buy apartment. Not yet though. Still gotta move.
You haven't left yet.
More stuff. This in the cubby. So it should be fun. Yay!
Yay.
I don't even know if you can see me. Making progress. Hey guys, we made it to my apartment. This is my room. I love it. She's so cute. I'm waiting for my dad to pull around the U-Haul because this huge truck just left. So we have so much space. You guys, we finished. Part 1 done. Part 2 incoming.
Hi, it's Editing Emma. This vlog's coming at you about 2 months late. Lots has happened. I just didn't film me moving anything into my apartment because, as you can imagine, me and my dad were just moving boxes up the stairs. 1, very hard to film. 2, not that exciting. But here's me setting up my bed, and also here's my dinner for that night.
I just got back from dinner. We went to this really good Italian place. I'll put the name of it in like the little montage I inevitably am gonna do. I might unpack like a little bit, but honestly I'm exhausted and I think I might just go to bed. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this little moving vlog. If you like it, let me know. If you don't tell me because I'll be sad a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe, more fun content, but I will see you guys next week with some more fun little vlogs. All right, bye.